Welcome back to the channel. So a long time since I last made a video, but we're back for now at least. I have two unboxings to do. One unboxing today, this one. It's a pair of Louis Vuitton rings. I'll be unboxing this today as said, and in a couple of days I will be unboxing a pair of the RB23s which I picked up in my trip to Canada. So yeah, if you are interested in that video as well, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe button. All the support helped me out very much. I appreciate the support. And yeah, with no further ado, let's just get on with the unboxing. So I purchased these on Louis Vuitton's website 2 days ago, and they already arrived just a couple of minutes ago. But yeah, it comes in this cardboard box. Alright, first look. Louis Vuitton on the inner side of the cardboard box. We got the rings and my receipt, and nothing else inside the cardboard box, so throw that to the side. The reason why I say rings is because it comes with two rings. So let me see in this envelope here what we got. So thank you for shopping at Louis Vuitton. Our products are crafted by experienced artisans with the finest materials. Wish you a fantastic journey with your new product. To discover the service we offer, please visit my account. So just a thank you card. Very nice. We got, what do we got here? I think just a blank piece of paper. We got a return label. We got my receipt. And how to exchange and return. So that's everything we got, except for the rings. Put that to the side, and here we got the small box. As you can see, very nice packaging. I don't know what this is. So this is got a little envelope here too. Blank card. Maybe if you want to gift it to someone, you can do that by this. What else? Nothing else inside there. Alright, so let's see the rings for the first time. Pull this ribbon off. Has a little slider here. Comes in a little dust bag. Louis Vuitton. Closer look here. Very nice. Alright, so I said two rings, one in gold and one in this kind of silver. Has the LV monogram on both of them. And On the silver one, we got all the little details from Louis Vuitton, some stars and all that. I'm not sure if you can pick that up. Maybe you can, right there. Very nice. And on the gold one, just standard LV logo right there. So let me just see how they fit. So I'm not entirely sure how I'm gonna style these, but kind of looks like this. Very nice. But yeah, just a quick unboxing of the LV rings. As said, a lot more unboxing coming soon. So if you're interested, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me a lot. And yeah, see you in my next video. Peace.